Thank you so much for filling in the form. I'm looking forward to hopefully mentoring you. So let me explain to you what a cent account really is and how it affects your account. So I've created some screenshots here for you, so we can just go back to the chart and show you the price that the currency is currently trading at. It says here we're trading gold, 3,665 US dollars and 97 cents. So I've taken a screenshot to explain to you how your account is going to be affected when you start trading with us. Right, so I've got a trade open here and it is minus 28.91. Now, normally on a normal account where you're working with other brokers, that would be minus $28.91. That's not the case with us. What is happening is that we need to move the decimal place 2 places from right to left to understand what is happening on the account. So I've done that over here. So we've got your minus 28.91. Effectively, that is equals to 28 US cents, 28.91 US cents. So effectively, it's 28 US cents that your account is being affected by. So every time the currency that you're trading or the commodity or indice or the instrument that you're trading moves by 1 US cent, your account is affected by 1/100th of a US cent, provided you're using a lot size of 0.01. If you're using a lot size of 0.02, then obviously your risk will be doubled, and every pip that the instrument moves by, so if it moves by 1 pip, your account will be then affected by 2 cents if you're trading 0.02 lot sizes. So over here, you can see here that the yellow is 1/100th of a cent and the red is 1/110th of a cent. So it's a very, very different risk. Having that in your corner is an absolute godsend, to say the least. You're trading on a much lower risk, which enables you to then dollar cost average properly. So this is what we're going to teach you. We're going to teach you how to dollar cost average, and we're also going to teach you how to have draw up rather than draw down. Now, when you're looking at this account, don't get confused. This is a cent account. So effectively, we need to move the decimal place 2 places from right to left to there. So you can see there that this account is in positive to $24,370, which is absolutely phenomenal. So go and do your steps below. Go and open up your account. Go and open up your cent account. All the instructions are below. So just click on each section, fill in the steps. And then once you've done the steps, there is a form below on the last section. You need to fill in that form so that I can get your details and make sure that you have opened the correct cent account. Once you've done that, then we can help you to start trading profitably. Now, when you click on my link to open up the account at the broker, we don't know why this happens, but sometimes you're not able to open a cent account. Don't be concerned with that. Just open then a standard account. Send me your standard account number so I can check that you're in our structure, because as I said to you previously, opening a cent account is exclusive to my organization. You're not able to open a cent account if you're not part of our organization. It's exclusive. This is an exclusive tight-knit group that we're building. So if you can't open a cent account, what you can do is you can just open a standard account. Don't fund your standard account. Don't put any money into the standard account. Fill in the form and send me your standard account number. I will then send you instructions on what to do next, and we will then move your account into our structure. Once your account is in our structure, I will then let you know via WhatsApp or email, and you will then be able to then open a cent account. So I hope that makes sense to you, and I'm looking forward to mentoring you, and I look forward to seeing you on my next videos. Take care. Cheers.